So hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikil, Discover, Learn and Grow. So in this lecture, actually this is the lecture 33rd lecture. We will be learning about tools used for management consulting and why they matter, right? Basically, this is the last video of the management consulting course. So let's see what are the tools used for management consulting and and why they matter. Karke. So let's jump into the video, guys. So why tools matter in management consulting? Management consultants solve complex business problems, as we have learned in this entire course. Management consultants will be solving the complex problems of the clients. Clients will be coming to us clients will be coming to us with some case or with some business problem or with some business challenge, and we will be solving their business problems. We'll be not solving their business problems, but we will be giving some suggestions, recommendations, some strategies. We will be developing and devising and employing some strategies, and it's the client decision whether to implement the strategies or not. Okay, but we will be giving the best and better suggestions, strategies, and all those things. So we will be helping them in solving complex business problems and a tight deadline. So we will be working in a tight deadline, right? We will be working in a short term, not unlike a business analyst. Business analyst will be working for 1 to 2 years, but we'll be working basically for weeks to months. As a management consultant, we will be working in a short period of time, right? So to work smarter, not harder, they rely on powerful tools for structuring work. So to structure the work, they will be using the tools. They will be using some software tools for analyzing data, for data analytics, for analyzing data analysis. They will be using some kind of tools called Power BI, SQL, Excel, and all these things for communicating clearly. Miro and all these things. Miro, Microsoft Teams, Zoom. These all are communication tools, right? Next, managing projects. Kelly, yeah, they will be using Jira, Visa. I think they will be not using Jira. Yeah, let's see what are the tools they will be using and creating impact. So these are the benefits if they use the tools, software tools. Let's see what are the tools they will be using. First one is Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, right? They are the analytical tools. So in order to do data analysis and data analytics, we will be using MS Excel or Google Sheets. For data analysis, modeling, and dashboards, as I said, we can do dashboards. We can do stunning dashboards in the Microsoft Excel as well as Google Sheets also. Not only Power BI, but we can do stunning dashboards in Microsoft Excel as well as Google Sheets. So management consultants will be using Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets for data analysis, data modeling, as well as dashboard creation. So let's see the use cases. Calculate profitability, market sizing, and unit economics. So these are the use cases for which management consultants will be using MS Excel or Google Sheets. Used for pivot tables, we look up a scenario analysis, charts, and some basic formulas, key sum if, count if, and all those things. So they will be using some formulas in order to get some solutions and in order to do some data analytics, modeling, as well as dashboarding, right? Next is PowerPoint. PowerPoint or Google Slides are used to present the data, right? They will be presenting, they will be coming up with some solutions, they will be coming up with some strategies, or they will be coming up with some strategies or solutions or recommendations, right? So basically, in order to in order to communicate those solutions, recommendations, or strategies, they will be using they'll be using the presentation slides like a PowerPoint presentation or Google Slides, right? By to create clear visual presentations for clients. As simple as that. Use case share findings. So basically, they will be sharing their findings, insights, recommendations, strategies, solutions, and all those things for the clients as well as for the businesses which are facing the problem, right? Used for executive summaries, timelines, and strategy maps. As simple as that. Miro, Mural, or FigJam. All these tools are communicating tools, guys. They will be having unlimited white space, and we can collaborate and we can discuss what we have to do. Karke. We can discuss the process. We can discuss everything in the unlimited white space, right? So yeah, Miro and FigJam are free, I think. So Mural is paid. It has some subscription base service. So why for brainstorming? So brainstorming करने के लिए we will be using Miro and all these things. As I said to you before, there will be unlimited white spaces so that you can do brainstorming. You can mind maps. You can also create mind maps in that unlimited white space. You can create mind maps in these tools, journey mappings, issue trees, MECE buckets. So basically, you will be doing brainstorming, guys. brainstorming mind maps. You'll be creating mind maps on all those things in this tools, which will be providing unlimited white space. Use case design thinking workshops, stakeholder sessions. I've said you about design thinking in my business analysis course also. You can go there and you can watch the video. Design thinking, it's one of the beautiful and interesting concept, basically for product managers, management consultants, and business analysts, used for frameworks, ideation boards, and user journey mapping. So basically brainstorming के लिए, right? Next, Power BI and Tableau. So this is also used. These tools are also used for dashboarding, for stunning dashboarding visuals, to build interactive dashboards and visualize KPIs. So basically, interactive dashboards, you can build interactive dashboards as well as you can show the KPIs metrics and all those things. Use cases, monthly profit reports, ROI dashboards. So basically, you can create dashboards in the Excel, Google Sheets, as well as you can create in Power BI and Tableau also. Actually, MS Excel and Power BI both are from Microsoft, but Power BI is somewhat advanced. MS Excel may you can create basic dashboards and all these things, but Power BI may you can create interactive as well as a stunning visually stunning dashboards and all these things. Used for charts, filters, and visual storytelling. Visual filters are nothing but you will be doing filtering, so that data will be changing. Interactive hoga, right? Even in MS Excel also there will be interactive, guys. So yeah, uh, by sir. Next is Notion, OneNote, Evernote, or you can use Word or Google Docs or Microsoft Word also. These are the documentation tools. Notion, OneNote as well as Evernote. These are the documentation tools, but you can use Microsoft Word or Google Docs. I'll in my first company and in my last company, that is my first and last company, I'm not a management consultant, but as an associate product manager, I used to use only Microsoft Word or Google Docs for documentation purposes. So why for documentation, note taking, a research collection. So everything we can do in Microsoft Word and this Google Docs, guys. No need to worry saying by names, right? Notion, OneNote, Evernote, they are some like SaaS products. Use case, organize project notes, case summaries, and frameworks. So basically, you can do all these things in a Word as well as Google Docs also. So don't need to worry by saying those technical names and all these things. Used for quick access, client info, and team collaboration. Next is ChatGPT generative AI. So basically, everyone is using ChatGPT, guys. Even I will be using ChatGPT. The guy who is seeing my video will be using ChatGPT. So, as I said you before, AI will not replace us, but the person who is using AI will be replacing us. So, learn a generative AI, guys. Right? Leverage your work. Don't do hard work. Do smart work. Leverage your work, and yeah, stay safeguard your position. Right? Why? Management consulting is AI proof, guys. AI proof, artificial intelligence proofs. That is nothing but AI cannot do anything for management consultants. AI कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता management consultants को. So just leverage the AI and do smart work. Don't do hard work, right? By to accelerate research, simplify. To accelerate research manager, like there is an AI tool called Perplexity in my AI for everyone course. I have made you thought about Perplexity also. It's a wonderful tool, guys. It's a wonderful one. It's a wonderful tool for research. So go and use Perplexity for research purpose, simplifying language and build frameworks. So there are many various tools, guys. Even after this management consulting course, as I said, this is the last video. After management consulting course, I may start Power BI course or a generative AI course. In generative AI course, I will be completely teaching you about generative AI, right? I'll be teaching you about how to build AI agents, how to use the tools, different tools, what are the different tools available, and all these things. So you'll be having so much fun in the next courses too, right? So use for drafting email. There is an there is an AI tool called Compose AI. It is a Google Chrome extension, I think. So that Compose AI will be automatically drafting the posts, drafting the emails for you, drafting the LinkedIn posts for you. So yeah. So leverage AI, guys. Leverage artificial intelligence and do smart work. Don't do hard work, right? Next, mock presentations. There is a tool called Gamma AI, Beautiful AI. This they will be doing beautifully stunning presentations for you. So guesstimate outlines. So you can use it for guesstimates and all those things too. used for brainstorming, formatting, and you can talk with the AI to for brainstorming purpose also it is useful. You can go for deep seek, and if you select the deep research, there is an option called deep research. If you go for that deep research or deep reasoning, I don't know, like it's been many days. I didn't use a deep seek, but there is an option called a reasoning, a deep reasoning. If you click on that deep reasoning, it will be doing brainstorming for you only. So you can leverage the AI, you can leverage the artificial intelligence. Next, formatting and learning new concepts fast. So if you go into ChatGPT and say, okay, this concept I cannot understand this concept. Please make it understandable to 5-year-old kid करके माने तो like it will be going very simple and easy, very simple and easy conceptual understanding, right? So yeah, next is Canva. Canva is used for making beautiful designs and beautiful presentations too, right? Canva for junior consultants or founders. Use case, quick mockups, marketing slides, and investor pitch decks. So basically, it is also useful for presentation, beautifully stunning presentations used for visual storytelling and pitch aesthetics, guys. So this is all about the tools for management consulting and management consultant tools. So yeah, this is the last video of the management consulting course, guys. In the next videos, not in the next videos, in the next course, I might teach you about the Power BI or product management or generative AI. I need to, what you can say, I need to think about it. I need to do prioritization techniques. I need to use some frameworks like Moscow, Canon model, and then I will be prioritizing, and then I will be explaining you the next course. Next, maximum there will be one out of these three, like generative AI, Power BI, or product management. At least there will be one course out of these three, guys, for sure. So bye.